What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and I'm about to do a ride along. And I got the green going on, so I'm riding along with this one. This is Vibrant Vetiver Delight. And this is by Paris Corner. It came out a little while ago. Think maybe about 2 or 3 years ago. And it's a clone of, I think it's Balder Freak. But I'll put the name up later on. But I'm just going to go ahead and rock out to it. This is a fresh kind of fragrance. It's it's a summer style fragrance, but it has a little bit more appeal to it. It doesn't have like the regular blue kind of vibe to it. It's more well, I'll talk more about the smell of it later on. Right now, going with the sprays, and yeah, that's good. Let's get a couple on my shirt. All right. So here we go, going along with Vibrant Vetiver Delight. And oh, let me give you time right now. It is still going with the the green theme, 11:40, and the weather right now is it's going to be it's cool today. Right now it's 63 degrees. This is really for weathers that's a little bit warmer, like around 70, 80, but we'll see. We'll rock out to it and see how it rocks out. All right, roll with me. Let's check it out. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? All right, I'm back in and I'm doing a little update right now. It is 12:43 and I started at 104. I know I said 140 is, I don't know, my dyslexia kind of kicked in. But anyway, the fragrance is still doing well. I guess that's been what, almost 3 hours or 11, 12, 11, 12, almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours. So, because it's 12:44. So, it's still going. I got a nice little scent bubble. It's not too far. It's probably like maybe a foot in front of me. So, someone would have to be in my aura to smell it, I think, anyway, because this is what I'm smelling. I'm not sure if I've gone nose blind to it or if I walk past someone, if they will smell it or not. But what I'm smelling myself, it smells like it's pretty close. Doesn't smell like it's jumping out way too far and grabbing people's attention. But so far, doing well. Yeah. So we're gonna keep rolling with it and see how it works throughout the day. So far, it's doing pretty good. All right, keep rolling with me. I am back. I'm doing another check-in. It is now 2:03, and I don't think I said what the weather was earlier, but right now it is, all right, 67 degrees. So it's still kind of cool outside. It's kind of breezy. The air is a cool air, and but the sun is showing. It's shining. It's a little tad bit of an overcast. Not a blue sky. It's kind of a grayish grayish sky. But we do have the Pillsbury Doe clouds in the sky. So, but it is a little bit cooler. The air is cooler. So the fragrance is still going. I can smell it pretty good. I'm not sure how far it's projecting or if I'm going to get any attention, like if I walk past a person or something like that. It smells like it's really close to me. So we'll see. I am waiting on my son, so when he comes in, I'll ask him and see if he smells me or for anything. So stay tuned. Oh boy. What?
As soon as I was about to leave, it got super busy.
Doing a video. Can you smell my fragrance?
Yeah.
Did you smell it when you came in the car? Mm-hmm. Oh, you could? Oh. All right. So I guess I am going a little nose blind to it. And you can smell it. All right. All right, I'm back in. Wrapping this up. I was trying to wait for this fragrance to completely die out, but it's still kind of a skin scent. It's really close to the skin now. I'm not getting any projection or anything like that. It's close because I did sweat a little bit today, and then, so it's gone. Or not gone, it's like a skin scent. And right now it is 5:31, and the temperature is, what is the temperature? The temperature right now is 67 degrees. So it didn't really get much warmer. I think I started out with 60 degrees, I can't remember. But yeah, this is a great fragrance. It's one of the fragrances that is a clone. It's a clone of Ball Freak by Rado. So that is that. Let's just run through the notes real quick. I'm dropping all kind of stuff. So Vibrant Vetiver Delight. It is, the notes we have for that is the top notes are lemon, blackcurrant, bergamot, and African orange flower. And then the middle notes we have jasmine, violet, and cinnamon. And then base notes we have musk, vetiver, Virginia cedar, and amber. So what I get from it is kind of like a fruity kind of vibe in the front and the top, and then like now it's more of a smooth kind of vibe. It smells like cotton kind of, or not what cotton smells like, but what you would imagine cotton smelling like a fluffy kind of soft kind of vibe. But it starts off with a fresh, bright, almost weighed down a little bit freshness with a citrus kind of vibe to it. It's hard to describe because it's different from any other citrus vibe fragrance that I normally would wear. But yeah, that's what I rocked out to today. Worked out pretty good. It's a long lasting fragrance. I've worn it a couple of times. I don't remember it lasting this long because this is 5:30 now. That's almost, I guess that's a full day's wear, 6 hours? So I guess that's about right. But I thought I wore it and it didn't last as long, but I've had this for a while, so maybe it's macerated a little bit, gotten a little bit stronger. But anyway, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I knew you'd be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, talking about Paris Corner's Bright Vetiver Delight. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.